So I've got BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here under above About Phone you will notice developer options, but if you will not see it, just open About Phone, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and keep tapping on build number, just like that. And as you can see, we are a developer now. You can activate those options here and just open it here. Now you can switch it on and off by tapping on this switcher. And as you can see now, you can perform various of very important and useful operation. So as you can see, here you've got the very advanced options, like for example, enable Wi-Fi verbal login or wireless display connection, and all the other. You can also allow mock locations, select debug app, and all the others. So simply like that, just by tapping on the build number and then going into developer options, you can have an access to the developer very advanced options on your device. But then if you would like to switch them off, simply tap on this icon, and as you can see now, they are switched off. So that's it. This is how you are creating and using developer options. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.